Hello everyone, today I would like to share how to create this kind of animation within minutes by using D5 render phasing animation. Let's start. First of all, we need to create the backdrop. We can find it in Assets library. Then we need to position it and scale up a bit. For the tablet model, we can use the cylinder from the Asset library. Adjust the size to get the desired one. Then adjust the position. For material, it is better to use cloth material. Adjust the color as you like. It is better to turn on the corner radius. Adjust the backdrop color. For bubbles, we can use sphere model from the Assessed library. Scale down and position it. Then duplicate to get more bubbles. Select all bubbles and then click Random Scale button to get random sizes. Then apply transparent material to bubbles. Then go to the video mode and create a camera animation. You may need to adjust the timing. It is time to use phasing animation. It's better to group the bubbles before applying phasing animation. Then apply Rise phasing animation. Select the bubble group, and then click Done. Adjust the timeline as you want. It is better to give some keyframes to the tablet. Then duplicate the bubbles group to get more bubbles. Use random tools to get variations. Then apply phasing animation again. For lighting, we can use 3 points lighting concept. It is better to give some lighting to the backdrop. Then we will get something like this. We can duplicate the bubbles group to make foreground and background. And then we will get this animation. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe.